Hello, hi there. This is Random News, and today's topic is Afghanistan people facing acute hunger. Afghanistan has been ranked at the fifth spot among the world's worst affected nations for acute hunger, according to a report local media reported on Sunday. According to the Global Food Crisis 2026 report released by UN agencies, the European Union and partners, 17.4 million people, about 36% of Afghanistan's population, are facing high levels of acute food insecurity, within 4.7 million experiencing emergency of famine-like condition. Afghan's news agencies Khama Press reported countries which face higher hunger level include Congo, Nigeria, Sudan, and Yemen. Globally, 266 million people in 47 nations face acute food insecurity in 2025, nearly double the proportion recorded in 2016, according to the report. The report, made with contributions from agencies including the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), showcases that hunger is not a short-term emergency but a continued and growing global challenge. Conflict, economic instability, and climate shocks have been identified as the main causes of worsening food insecurity around the world, impacting low-income and crisis-affected nations, Khama Press reported. Prolonged economic collapse, unemployment, drought, and reduced international aid have exacerbated the humanitarian crisis, leaving millions of people dependent on food assistance for survival. Aid agencies have stated that hunger levels could further increase in Afghanistan without sustained funding and access, resulting in long-term consequences for children's livelihoods and national stability. On March 4, the World Food Programme said Afghanistan continues to face one of the world's most severe hunger crises. In a report released on March 4, the WFP stated that malnutrition is rising in Afghanistan, placing tens of thousands of children at serious risk, Khama Press reported. WFP said vulnerable communities were facing difficulties in accessing health services and humanitarian assistance due to clashes between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The agency noted that continued fighting between Pakistan and Afghanistan could push already poor and hungry families in Afghanistan closer to a critical breaking point. Please do subscribe my channel, Random News.